This is how to enable the Makah keyboard in Gmail. Click on the gear icon and then click on See All Settings. In the General tab, under Language, click on Show All Language Options. Then click on Enable Input Tools. This will give you this screen, which will show you a list of languages. Scroll down to M to find Makah, and then click on the arrow to bring it over to Selected Input Tools. Then click OK. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of Settings and click on Save Changes. When Gmail reloads, click on Compose to write a new email. Then you'll notice this little keyboard icon that turns on and off the Google Input Tools. Click on that, and you should see the Makah keyboard overlay on-screen keyboard. And now you can type in Makah. If you don't like the on-screen keyboard, you can click on this arrow icon to hide it.